So we already discussed about the systematic sampling using land transects. Now let us discuss about the usage of belt, how to use belt transect. A belt transect method is similar to the land transect method but gives extra information on the abundance as well as presence or absence of species. It may be considered as a widening of the line transect to form a continuous belt or series of quadrats. In this method, the transect line is laid out across the area to be surveyed, and the quadrat is placed on the first marked point on the line. The plants inside the quadrat are then identified and their abundance estimated. Quadrats are sampled all the way down the transect line at each marked point on the line or at some other predetermined interval or even randomly if time is short. It is also usual to estimate the coverage percentage of plant species. Okay, the plant cover is the area of the quadrat occupied by the above ground parts of a species when viewed from above. We will discuss about this in another lecture. It is important that the same person should do the estimation of cover of or any determination or estimation in each quadrat, because the estimation is likely to vary from person to person. If different people estimate percentage cover in different quadrats, then an element of personal variation or bias is introduced, which will lead to less accurate results. The height of plants in the quadrat can be recorded, and the biomass of plants can also be measured by harvesting all the plants inside the quadrat and then weigh them either fresh or dry weight in the laboratory. This is obviously a very destructive method of sampling, which could not be used too often in the same place. So sampling should always be at least destructive as possible, and you should not try to trample an area too much when carrying out your survey.